snowing out here again. A little bit, just lightly. Snowing a little bit. I got my vice gripper pliers up under here. Let me get them out. I sort of had dreams and visions that I was going to have this whole speedometer job done pretty early today and then put a muffler on that Jeep. That ain't happening. No, sure ain't. Yeah, see, that's about ruined that gear too. So, what's going on in here with my gear? That gear in there, I can feel it has metal teeth on it, and they don't feel bad. It might just be a matter of, let me turn the back tire a little bit. I should turn that gear a little bit. I can't imagine that metal gear, I'm pretty sure that is a metal gear. I can't imagine that metal gear is wore out because it's running on them nylon gears. So here's where I'm at now. I'm thinking we'll go back to the drawing board. We're going to buy us another one of those and another speedometer cable, and we will come at this again a different way if need be. I think that gear is okay. Turn that a little more. Yeah, I think that gear is okay. All right, I need to go in the house and recontemplate my brain, recalibrate my thinking, reorganize my thought pattern, think about what to do next, and maybe go on to eBay and order up let's see, I got that last year from Max Auto Parts. I might order one up from them. I think it was the only one that had 22 tooth gear. I think I might just order me up a new gear and a new speedometer cable. That's going to give me a new clamp. And let me locate that bolt I took out of there that gave me so much trouble. I think I laid it up here on the seat somewhere. Oh, I can make a mess, I sure can. That thing looks pretty crappy, but it's probably okay. Put that right in here. Okay. We're going in the house for a little bit. We're gonna think on these things for a little bit. I turn off that air compressor while I do that. Tell you one thing, I ain't giving up. I ain't giving up. I'm just saying, I ain't giving up.